I hope all of you are doing well, and I am also good. First of all, I want to say some things. Please, you new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe, and please, I want to say you video watch till the end. And I am Nikita. Today I speak about 75 minutes of hard challenge. First of all, I learned 5 new words: seldom, harassed, eager, deceptive, and defer. This is my new 5 word. And 9 a.m. I listen speaker speech and copy it. And 11 a.m. I read newspapers and daily wise current affair. And 12:30 I join live session. And today I learn prepositions at, on, in, when, before, after. This sentence were used. And 4:30 English conversation with my brothers on mobiles. And myself, just like I am good, I am a great. And 5:30 I listen English podcast on YouTube. There are many type of English podcast available in YouTube. You like, you choose any podcast, just you better. And 6:30 I write translate Hindi to English. जस्ट लाइक भगवान में विश्वास करें, बिलीव इन गॉड. क्रिकेट के बारे में बात करें, टॉक अबाउट क्रिकेट. एंड मैं दिल्ली हवाई अड्डे पर पहुंचा. आई अराइव एट दिल्ली एयरपोर्ट. दिस इज माई सेंटेंस, English sentence, and preposition related English sentence. Okay. And 7:30 I speak loudly front of the mirror with myself, about myself. And 8 p.m. I record this video. And today's task completed of 75 minutes. And this is my day 7 video I completed. Thank you for watching my video.